Assalamu alaikum students. Let's start the quiz. uh, आप अपने पास ये याद से जो शॉर्टकट्स हैं वो ज़रूर खोल के रखिएगा और let's start quiz number 4 of AutoCAD. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Which of the following command is used to continue dimensions along an axis? इसमें DCO, DC on quick dimension और linear चेक कर लेते हैं व्हाट्स DCO creates a dimension that starts from an extension line of a previous created dimension. So previous created dimension to continue dimension along an axis. Or decon applies dimension constraint to select objects or points on objects. Save and continue. What is the minimum height of a door? It's of course 7 feet. Save and move to the next. Which part of a 2D drawing displays the details type of windows? Which part of a 2D drawing displays the details type of windows? Location plan, 2D, site plan, elevation and schedule. 2D drawing displays the details type of windows. Schedule. Move to the next one. Which of the following is the recommended space to be left between the placement of the door and the wall? Which of the following is the recommended space to be left between the placement of the door and the wall? It's 2.5 inch. Save and move to the next one. And the maximum height of the building should not exceed from dash in an apartment buildings. This is of course 45 feet. Save and move to the next one. Okay. Dash are useful for creating construction and reference lines. X lines, polylines, lines, SP lines. Okay. For construction and reference line हम चेक कर लेते हैं Control F X lines तो कोई कमांड ही नहीं है X line. X line creates a line of infinite length. Infinite length. And what is SP lines? SP line is creates a smooth curve that passes to a near specified, तो आपका this is the one correct one. Okay, what is the thickness of the non-load bearing valve? Non-load bearing valve is 4.5. Okay, which of the following side is not shown in the elevation plan? Front, of course, is shown, right is shown, left is shown, the bottom is not shown. Save and move to the next one. What is the minimum sill level of for placing a window? It's 3. 3. Okay, save and move to the next one. Which of the following is not the type of the door? Sliding door is also a door, swinging door is also a door, garage door is also a door, hanging door, of course, hanging, there is no hanging door. Hanging door, इस पर नेट पे भी सर्च कर लेते हैं, हमारे पास कोई हैंगिंग डोर है, HANGING, हैंगिंग डोर. हैंगिंग डोर नहीं होता, हैंगिंग चेयर होती है, लाइट होती है. Okay, it's done. Thank you so much.